Got touchdown, man. We could see some real fucking carnage here, bud.
Maybe.
Like, I'm actually witnessing a fucking tornado right now. I know camera, you don't see this too great. But right there in the center of the screen, there is a tornado touchdown on the ground with a swirler coming from the fucking clouds. We are now in Macklin, Saskatchewan, or Macklin, Saskatchewan. Watching this in the distance, hoping to God that everybody is okay.
Look at the shit it's picking up.
I know, dude, it's getting, oh, it's fucking getting bigger.
Okay.
Hey guys, it's starting to pick shit up off the ground. It's got touchdown, the tornado, guys. I think you might want to come down.
Hey Joe, you might want to get off the tower. Oh, look at her go.
This is like the gnarliest shit I've ever seen. It'll be on Facebook later. I cannot believe I'm actually witnessing this right now. This thing is like getting bigger and bigger. This is totally freaking unreal.
Get the fuck off the tower!
Double click as fast as you can and get the hell down.
I'm sending Danny down.
Oh, okay, Cowboy Joey. Yeah, this is the first tornado I've ever seen in person. Probably not the last. This will be in Saskatchewan for 30 some odd more days. But it is currently gaining strength and getting bigger and bigger. Mom, Dad, you asked for a tornado. I couldn't get you one in Ontario, but I got you one here in Saskatchewan.
Let's go storm chasing!
Pretty sure there's probably a whole bunch of cars on the highway following this one. We're starting to get moisture too, eh?
Isn't it? There's like no wind right here.
No. I felt a couple raindrops.
What would you say that looks about 150 feet in diameter?
Yeah, probably.
200 feet in diameter?
It's pretty big. It's not really ripping stuff off the ground yet, but it's still there. It's like she's losing strength. That was pretty crazy. Just out of the blue, we just had a tornado.
It looks like it's dying out, eh?
Yeah.
I don't think we're in Kansas anymore!
Yeah, I'd agree with you, Joe. This isn't Kansas. And it sure as heck ain't in British Columbia. Oh, there we go. My first adventure to Saskatchewan. Spawns us a tornado. Not too far away from where we're working. That was pretty nuts. And the storm is currently heading over our heads. So much for there nothing going on in Saskatchewan, eh? My first video is crap compared to this.